We are live now. Okay. First thing first, Happy New Year, maybe. Almost there, but yeah. You can see the date here. I don't want to talk too much about it. Yesterday, bro, I just went lazy and doesn't live stream. Anyways, so probably no one gonna watch this live stream, but here we are. I don't mind it. And also, there is a guy called Hunter Clash Royale, and he just making newest videos about he having lose streak and raging, but he still make videos. And yeah, I'm gonna watch it and see how he deal with tilt in the game. He play Xbox, obviously I play Xbox too, so if you know, and then you know. Now let me text my friend first. I also lately watched the show called Hero Inside, and it's very cool movie. This guy named like Super Scott. I'm gonna just review it. You're gonna go to watch cartoon online and then watch. Oh no. Yeah, watch cartoon online, the website, this thing, or like in this one, I think just find it on Reddit link here, this one, online, watch cartoon or watch cartoon online, whatever. But very cool show, and I realized I kind of enjoy watching hero movie that include heroes. What's this? How the hell he have many points? Anyways, so back to the Photoshop file. So far, not much work have been done, but just do some Christmas music from a year ago and 2 years ago to be exact. Actually, that's crazy. Like his channel already 2 years. The AI music thing, time does pass by. Anyways, I'm gonna go into League of Legends here, and gonna keep changing on the domination trees. How many tree? 1, 2, 3. I will try to finish the domination 2 days. Maybe it's like 5 days. Slow process, but it is what it is. Electrocute, Dark Harvest, Hero Blade. So that is done for the domination keystone. Slot 1, I have Deep Shot, Test of Lot, and Sudden Impact. I don't know, here. 6 cent. Greasy, Momentous. Mostly I'm not gonna talk a lot, so also I doesn't even bother to open the comment section and read it. Deport. Here, that is now. So on this tab, I just open this and I go to Deport. pretty much like the same process. I do it like a ton of it, so remember to change the folder name, because when you edit it or like animate it, you're gonna be less of confused. Okay, why the letter H doesn't on capitals? This file is kinda trash actually. Huh. Hmm. Hunter. This. Uh. This one is gonna be rare lens hunt. PNGs. Relentless. Player. Ultimate Hunter. We pretty much done with the domination trees. Now the thing is, when you pick domination, like this color will change also. I actually like want to make an app that you can like rune select and it's also change color with the starting item and some spell wood. Is kind of too complicated for me right now. Like I need to actually learn it. I'm not sure should I like go with it, but okay, so like I need to make an app, right? That have the keystone. Now for that to work, so I need to be like the PNGs. I need a name. I need like colors, and then animation, right? Not only that, I also need like the starting items and some of those spell, and like starting item, and then spell ability of like a lot of champs. I also need like export button. Like so when I make an app, I want to make this to be in similar to in-game thing. It's like auto animate for you. You can change the animation and then export it into MOV. So that it have transparent background, then you can use in your video editing. So my problem is I don't know how to code. Second is I don't know which app should I do. Some people I asked some like ChatGPT said I should use the Unity or maybe the Grot. I think the Grot, right? No, what is the app called? Go dot. I need first to be layout circles, and then I can replace PNGs. I need to be have the lock titles. I need the line. I can export this and animate the circle. Right. So pretty much here's what I got. Okay. I need to import the PNGs and then make it transparent lower. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I have the PNGs. How can I import this? Okay. Okay, how can I notice it's like 180p and I want to make it snap in, and how can I make it center?
Main menu is the first thing that players do on how to quickly scene called main menu. Add a control node as its child. You can rename it to button manager, scene called main menu.
Okay, I have this.
Add a control node
I need to add a control node.
as its child and rename it to button manager.
Button managers. Okay, she down slash.
Then add 3 button nodes under the
Button.
manager.
Okay. I need the button node. Great. Okay.
For now, we use regular button nodes instead of texture button nodes. To test the code before importing our arts, label each button according to its function, such as start.
One is the keystone, slot 1, slot 2, Slot 3.
Options and quit.
What is this?
Resize and position them wherever you'd like to define options and quit. Resize and position them wherever.
Resize and reposition them. Okay. I don't know what is this.
You'd like to the final menu and label each button in an inspector scene based on their function. Remember,
Okay, there is this. I need to move this around here, I think. I know what is this. And move this. I know what is this. Keystone. Okay, so it's 4 button. Keystone here, here, and here. Move it here. I'm really not sure what this is.
the button text won't matter for our final product. We're just doing this to test if our code works properly. With the basic setup done, let's move on to our code. Create a main menu script and connect our button onto the script using the inspector scene. Changing between scenes is pretty simple. All you need to do is use your option buttons. It's a good website app button sets into game information with opacity, big transition, disable, and make the final onto the fit. Now to come with just a pyramid, say thank or subscribe is so much for your support on my YouTube channel. As of
Holy shit, bro. Wait. Wait. So you can do it like that?
Hello and welcome. Open image. Dot. Click and drag it to the scene to also make sprite 2D mode. Another way to display an image in Godot, we need a sprite 2D node and assign the image as its texture. Let the scene tree insert. Search for NVME spec. The scene. Just into sprites to load textures. Video.
Okay. So I can resize it. I need to check the size. So this is the right side. But oh, how to snap on the grid? Okay. Like, what is this line? How can I move this line? I need to create a I need to create a
In this video, we'll be creating the following. This is a big option. Doesn't feel funky. Face. This is going to be of user interface. So it's actually going to just be a control node. We're going to rename this to main underscore menu. Then we're going to save this into its own folder. Main. Now that we have our root node created, we're going to be adding a texture rect. To add a texture rect.
text direct. Okay.
Add, and then we're going to add a texture rect. Now the texture rect is going to be anchored to the full screen. So up here, anchor presets, anchor full screen.
Okay.
Texture rect is going to be anchored.
Full screen. Okay.
To the full screen. So up here, anchor presets, anchor full screen.
Okay. Why am I look different? Why is look different?
And if you have a background, then you can put up here rect to create a new scene.
Okay, I'm gonna go and create a new scene here.
This is going to be of user interface.
User interference. I want to do the scene. Okay, user interference. So I need to add text direct, and I need to click here and then set full screen. Okay, now it works. Why is that?
Face. A texture. Let's anchor full screen. To be using up here, we're going to background, one specific tile, background 0010. So with this,
Oh god. Here. 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 Ah. Why it doesn't fit in the screen? Why is it like this?
this is created, we have our background from a menu. Up here, we're going to background, one specific tile, background 0010. So with this created, we have our background for our main menu. We now need to start adding.
Why? What if I use different image? What about this? Okay. Now it's in the middle. But the size is weird. Okay. Why cannot make it smaller? Why? It doesn't do anything. Okay, this does do something. Okay, why this is? I want to 180p. How can I do it? Project setting display. Project setting. Display. Window. Switch. Set the mode to 2D. Aspect to keep. Okay, it's delete the whole scene. How can I just remove? Okay, it's big like this. What if I change like this? Okay, it does change. Folder. Okay, it's get bigger. What is this? Can I make this smaller? That's the point about the thing. Like it's so many things. I don't know how to get the answer. How can I check is this like 180p or not? Well, why dimension is wrong? Okay, what is this one? And what is this one? So I need here. can I rename this? What if I take this? Use interference. This key unsafe. Yes, I do. Rune. Two. Okay, let's change the name. And here. Why is it doesn't snap? Oh, I don't see anything. What is this line actually? I don't understand anything. Okay, this doesn't working. I need a different plan.
In this video, I'll be showing the things like text. So this I'll use my main menu. See, in Github, start by making a new seed and add the following nodes to it. Once you've had
Okay, so this is not. I need 2D scene. I need the sprite, control sprite.
With all the nodes, select your sprite node and drag the image that you want to use into the sprite's texture property.
Okay. Why is here but not? Why? What if I try different thing? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't have anything. Huh.
Reposition the sprite where you want it to be. Next, select the reposition the sprite that you want to draw into the entire view. Next, select the color rectangle and position it to fit over the entire view.
Okay, entire view, I can do that.
In case you didn't know, these lines here show what the user will be able to see once they run the game. It doesn't really matter if your color rectangle goes outside these lines, just make sure that it's completely covered on the inside. Once you've done that, head over to the color property and change the color to black.
Okay.
The next step is to add the fade in and fade out animations.
Okay. Why it doesn't snap? What if I do this? Okay, this disappear. Okay, it snap. Why this doesn't snap? Why?
Do this, select the animation player node, head out to animation and select new.
Okay. New.
Call this animation fade in. Head down to the bottom right and change the animation's length from 1 to 3 seconds. Now head over
3 seconds.
to the animation track and move the slider from 1 to 0.
1 to 0. Okay, why it doesn't snap? Okay, I can do this.
Select your color rectangle and head on over to the color property. Click this small key icon that's next to the color property.
Okay, this keyframe.
This window pops up, click create. Once you've done that, grab the slider again and move it on over to 3.
Okay, we were 3.
Head back to the color property and change the alpha down to 0.
Okay. Then output back to 0 keyframe. But this time it's gonna be like this.
This should make the rectangle transparent. Then just click the key again. That should be the fading animation done. You can move the slider back to 0 and you hit the play button to see how it looks.
Okay. Huh. It's full black. What if I click here and then do this and I play? Okay, now work.
The values I use in this animation are just my personal preferences, but feel free to use whatever values work best for you. Before we get into the code, you also need a fade out animation. Create a new animation the same way you made the first animation and call it fade out. Back up all the code inside of the red masks for sync. To work out how long time animation adds the length line of code works to. If this video was any help to the main menu scene, here you should put whatever scene you want to switch to. Thanks for watching. The video on the right is a video that you
What do I hit play? It show nothing and the how can I see my screen again? Okay, no, why now I can see it, but the rest I cannot. Okay, where's the timeline? Here. Why it is not snapping? How can I do this note? Okay, I can do this. Consistent redo history. How can I change the value of the image? Why this is called modulate but not opacity? I want to release this. Self-modulate. What about modulate normal? What do you mean self-modulate? I need an expert. What the fuck? This how? Like what is this? Jesus Christ. I can see it now. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Let's do. Okay. Why I cannot click here? Okay, I can click here, but this because it's PNG, right? Inspector offset. Inspector offset. Uncheck. Position 00. Oh shit! Now snap. Yo, F6. Yo. Okay, but what's this? To this as. Okay, okay, we're cooking. Okay, project. Một bảy bao nhiêu? 1710962. Okay, why is it cut right here? Override. Okay. Project setting. Window. Display. Window. Scroll out with override. Oh, okay, it's just running like this. F6. F8. So F6 and F8. Oh, what if project this setting? I don't do full screen. I minimize. What about that? And I go F6. F8. Not minimize. Oh, window. F6. Project setting, display, window, stretch here, keep, aspect to keep, canvas item, fix. Yo! Okay, wait. The AI learning is actually legit. Bro, high key, wait, actually legit. Okay. I think that is for today. So, the next day, maybe I can try to import the text, this font, and some rune keys. Yo, wait, this is actually cool. You kind of learn like new stuff with the AI, like just asking them why and then they give you answer. Yo, wait, it's actually cool. We are cooking right now. Anyways, thank you for watching. Cool stream today. Yeah, probably I should make an app and then you just like choose a freaking rune. It's gonna like auto play the animation and then you click export and then it gonna export the MOV. Then you can import into Davinci Resolve or any edit video and ready to go. Ayo, and I'm not saying this gonna free, you know. Anyways, I wanna play games now. Thank you for watching and see you in the new year. Next year's